Understanding the phrase, feel free. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into a very common English phrase, feel free. If you've ever wondered what exactly it means and how to use it, then this video is for you. Feel free might sound like an invitation to touch something or sense it. But in the English language, phrases often have both literal and figurative meanings. While the literal meaning could be about feeling or sensing something, the figurative or idiomatic meaning is quite different. When someone says, feel free, they're basically saying, go ahead, you have my permission, or don't hesitate. It's a way of giving someone the freedom or encouragement to do something. Here are some common scenarios where you might hear or use this phrase. 1. At a gathering or party. If you're hosting and you want to let your guests know they can help themselves to snacks or drinks, you might say, feel free to grab a drink from the fridge. 2. During discussions or meetings. To encourage others to voice their opinions, you could say, feel free to jump in if you have any thoughts. 3. In formal settings. When giving someone the permission to contact you, you might mention, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Remember, it's a versatile phrase and can be used in various situations to offer freedom or permission. To further clarify, here are a few example sentences. 1. If you're unsure about the project details, feel free to ask me. 2. I have left some books on the table. Feel free to take one if you're interested. 3. You don't have to wait for my signal. Feel free to start whenever you're ready. Each of these sentences gives a sense of permission and encouragement. The phrase, feel free, is a friendly way of granting permission or encouraging action. It's a small phrase, but it carries a lot of warmth and flexibility. We hope this explainer helps you use feel free confidently in your conversations. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.